if you are writing a QReader custom DSM or parser, and you are adding the property, or you are modifying an existing one and you want to add additional properties, these are called, for the logs, are custom event properties. Let me select anyone in here. I mean, it doesn't really matter which it is. When you click here plus to add one, and what name do you put to it? Don't you want to have a name that is consistent with other apps and other DSMs and other components in QReader? When you perform searches and when you write rules, don't you want to have the same name for the custom event properties that are related in the same way? So for example, if we were to search here for process direction, we find this, and I'll show you where that one came from. But notice when we select that one, this is just a placeholder. It does not have a regex defined to it. Another way of looking at this is if we go right here on the custom event properties, and I'm going to sort these custom event properties by the ones that are not enabled, and you'll see why in a second. You see that we have a whole bunch of custom properties that are there by name. They do not have a regex or assigned to any logs or type or anything like that. No categories, no nothing. And this says that it's a placeholder. The idea is to give names that are similar, that are well thought out. Like for example, hashes are good examples, right? You don't want to call it this hash or whatever hash. You want to call it a name, and then all these custom properties will be accessible for all the rules and all the other components as they work in QReader. Well, in order to achieve that, there is a simple QReader app called Custom Property Dictionary. And if you go to the documentation by clicking here on View, you'll see that they started by defining all these custom properties. Again, just a placeholder, no regex assigned to it. That will be your job. And they have kept updating it with new custom properties as they go on. Well, just a simple app, trivial to install as all of them are, and that can bring some order in the process creation and the selection of the name for your custom event properties, bringing some uniformity to it.